Rightly so. Great stuff. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Already he's given away a foul. Defending. Masked well. Lucas in possession. Passing the ball really well. Good ball. Lucas in possession. Great chance here. Oh, here's Lucas. And that is a fantastic goal. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. It's 2-0 now. Finds his teammate. They have the ball again. Confident pass. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. That's gone out for a corner. They're waiting in the box, hoping for a good delivery. Heads towards goal. Referee indicates a corner. Can they make something of this? And that one swung into the box. Benzema, he must score. The defender could be in trouble here. Nice work there. And with the defender now. It's Casemiro. Gray. Well timed. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Off the post. Ooh, quality defending there. What a ball. Good distribution. That's good link-up play. No doubt at all, that's a penalty. What will he do here? Power or placement? Solid strike there, never in doubt. Oh, we need to see that goal again. Everyone's ready. Play restarts. That's nicely played. And he plays the ball back. Played back to the goalkeeper. Really good possession here.